Meaning of floating voter.
Floating voter.
Floating voter.
Floating voter.
Floating voter. A floating voter is a term used to describe a person who does not have a strong allegiance to any particular political party and is therefore seen as being open to persuasion by any party. These voters often make up a significant proportion of the electorate in closely contested elections and can play a decisive role in determining the outcome. In some cases, they may switch their vote from one election to the next depending on factors such as campaign messages, candidate charisma, or current events.